Hello and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. Are you ready to attract more prosperity and abundance into your life? In this video, we'll break down the law of attraction and how you can use its guiding principles to manifest your dream life. So if you're new to the channel, let's quickly go over the law of attraction. Simply put, it's a concept that states what you think about, you bring about. This idea is based on the belief that our thoughts and feelings have a vibrational frequency, and that we can attract experiences and outcomes that match that frequency. Keep in mind that the key to attracting what we want in life is to focus our thoughts and feelings on what we desire, rather than what we don't want. By doing this, we can create a mental and emotional state that is in alignment with our goals and desires, which then can attract those things into our life. So now that we have a grasp on the concept, how do we put it into practice? The first thing we need to do is be aware of our thoughts and beliefs. This is easier said than done, and it does require practice and refinement. The reason this can be challenging is because of the conditioning or programming our minds receive on a daily basis. Many subscribe to the belief that if you want more, you need to work harder or put in longer hours. Even the saying, "good things come to those who wait," is a belief that many of us have been conditioned to believe since we were very young. Be mindful of your beliefs and start to identify which of your belief systems may be limiting your manifestation power. When you face a limiting belief, it's important to acknowledge it, let it dissipate, and then replace it with an affirmation that supports your desire. Let's say you're wanting to manifest your first $1,000 in your emergency savings account. A common limiting belief is, "I'm not good with money." It's time to let that go. You may have mismanaged money in the past, but that's not the future you're writing for yourself now. Let that thought go and replace it with a supportive affirmation like, "I believe in my ability to build the financial future I desire." Along with mastering our thoughts, we must also be consistent about visualizing what we desire. Our mind is a powerful tool, and when we create vivid images in our mind's eye, we begin to take actions in our 3D world to make the vision reality. Take time to visualize in great detail what it is you're looking to manifest. Really focus on the details and tap into the emotions associated with your desire. If you begin to feel any resistance, just acknowledge it and let it go. Research supports that visualization is an effective practice. In fact, it can help improve our performance when it comes time to perform the task we're imagining. The law of attraction does require us to take action, but when doing so, keep in mind that the universe wants balance. The action that you take should be done with faith that the universe will do the heavy lifting. In order to manifest abundance, we need to take inspired action, or action that is aligned with our goals and values. So let's create a plan based on our first example of saving $1,000 towards our emergency savings fund. The first step is to identify your current beliefs around money. If you have limiting beliefs, take time to explore them and give yourself grace. Here are the parts of that belief system that need your attention, then replace them with an affirmation that aligns with your desire. Next, write down the dollar amount you wish to attract, whether it's on a piece of paper or on your phone. Get it out of your thoughts and into your 3D world. We want to visualize what it will feel like to have that money in our account. That sense of security feels so good. Breathe a sigh of relief and continue to visualize depositing money into that savings account and how good it feels. Now it's time to take aligned action. So for this goal, it's important to be mindful of what you're spending. Perhaps you could set up an automatic savings rule with your bank, or sell items you're no longer using, and use the proceeds to fund your new account. It's all about creating habits that align with your new belief that you're good at managing your money. Now that you know how to manifest abundance in your life, it's time to get started. Don't delay designing the life of your dreams any longer. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.